How to reset Duolingo password. This tutorial will guide you through the process of resetting your Duolingo password. Whether you've forgotten your password or want to change it for security reasons, this step-by-step guide will help you recover access to your Duolingo account easily. So first, open the Duolingo app. After you open the Duolingo app, make sure that your account is logged in. As you can see, mine is already open and logged in. While we are in the Duolingo app, tap the profile icon at the middle bottom of the screen. While we are in the Profile tab, tap the Settings icon at the top right of the screen. While we are in the Settings tab, tap the Profile tab below the Preference tab. While we are in the Profile tab, tap the Password section so that we can proceed. From here, you just have to type your old password, which is your current password. After that, type your new password in the New Password section. After that, type your confirm password, which is still your new password. After filling those out, just tap the Save button to save your new password. You have now successfully reset your Duolingo password. Be sure to remember your new password or store it securely. If you encounter any issues during the process, consider reaching out to Duolingo support for assistance. Happy learning!